Out what the first things that we should be doing after signing up for our website. So obviously you guys have a sponsor, you had somebody that brought you in, and even though we haven't spent any money yet or invested any money, this person is your sponsor, so they're here to help you. So basically you have the website that you're ready to rock and roll with. Now it's time for you to learn how you're going to get all these signups. So what I'm going to recommend that you do first is watch the YouTube recruiting master video that is on this site and that is on my YouTube channel. Secondly, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're putting up new videos every day. Third, I'm going to ask you to make your own YouTube channel. And if you don't know how to, then get with me and I'll teach you how. Because we're going to use that to help you market and brand yourself. We're going to help you grow the company that you're in, and we're going to help you grow this company here. So on top of that, your leader will have a couple messages for you that you can send out to the people that you're bringing in. You're going to want to know what to say and how to say it. But the main thing that I recommend that you do, guys, is wrap your head around what we're doing here. Watch the pay plan videos. Truly get a concept of what this reverse MLM system is. And remember, it's two things. It's not just moving up with this company. You are not required to move up with this company at all. You're not required to ever spend a dime. This is completely free. And you are more than welcome to stay in this group and learn from us and network and meet all kinds of new people as long as you want to. You're more than welcome to build your team and build your new downline from right here within this organization. And if you want to bring them all into the company that you're with, fantastic, great. We support you in that effort, okay? So get with your sponsor first thing. I know you guys want to always email me and talk to me, but I'm working on these videos and I'm working on developing this website more, and we're really looking forward to building these leadership positions. We still need about 10 more leadership positions filled, and we have membership on the board of directors, which is going to pay a six-figure salary come July 1st. Okay? So I look forward to working with all of you guys. Congratulations on being here, and let's be successful together. Bye-bye.